Taking a look at my cereal, which I've left alone unprotected for above 60 seconds. What's that I see? One singular cat hair? One singular black cat hair? One singular black cat hair?
Destined to be a goalkeeper.
What is that?
The raccoon.
That is not a dead raccoon.
What is it then?
That's your cat.
Oh.
Sometimes the most dangerous place is the safest one. Perfect inner peace.
Hi, my name is Mark Blair.
World is sunshine and rainbows for him.
No.
Every time he gets picked up, he plays dead.
No.
You get out.